Now we're going to go ahead and finish up our matrix text and background. As you can see here, we have our text up, and what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and select the bottom layer here, and we're going to go ahead and give this a motion blur. We're going to filter, blur, motion blur. It's saying it's going to rasterize it for us because it needs to be in the case of this. So let's blur this out quite a bit until we get what we're looking for. No, I kind of like that. That's looking pretty good. It's a little bit too much. Let's back it out just a bit. Something like that looks pretty good. Alright, now we're going to take the second layer. We're going to add a filter blur of a minimum on there. So we'll go to Other and Minimum. Hit OK. It's saying it's going to rasterize that for us. We'll leave that at 4 pixels. What we're going to do is we're going to take the opacity on that. We're just going to take that down just a wee bit so it's not so hard. Bring it up just a bit. There we go. Now we're going to put another filter on this. And we're going to put another blur filter. Let's put a Gaussian blur on this one, just to kind of pump it out a little bit and give it that glowing look to it, like so. There you go. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and turn on our background stuff again. And there you have it, pretty close. Now what we need to do is we actually need to do a white text in front here. So we're going to grab this and select it. We'll move on down to this guy here, and we'll just Option, Delete, Backspace, Fill it. We'll turn off our top layer. And there you have it. Your nice Expert Village Matrix logo. So have fun, play around, and enjoy.